Hey Fox, how you have been? I know it's a long time no see, but sorry for that if you are really missing my tutorials or some quick tips. So today I'm going to show you how to create a decal of any tire, or specifically I'm creating here the aircraft tire decal. So before starting, I just want to show you the page where I downloaded the decal. So here is the page. This is the artist render house, and he's one of my good friend, and he created this decal. You can see, and these are some of his outputs. That looks pretty realistic. What you have to do is go to his art station. It's gonna redirect to that Gumroad page, and you just have to put the price like 0 because it's for free, and you just have to click I want this. That's all, nothing else. You'll get it on your email, and enjoy. Alright guys, let's get back to the tutorial part. So here we have our tire, and here I have already set up my folder to create the decal. If you really want the in-depth tutorial for that, like how I created the details as well as how I created the texture of the tire, just comment down below. I would definitely make a new video on that. So here is our decal. First of all, we need to turn on our projection. At first, when you turn on your projection, there would be nothing. You just have to drag and drop your decal on the grayscale like this. And just paint over it like this. And I have another layer which called tire numbers. So let me tell you how am I scaling this up and down, right? So for that, you have to press S, and you have to hold the right button on the mouse and drag up and down. We have to set it in the center. You have to pan this. To bring our 5.00 here. And there we go. That's all we need to do the projection of decal on any model. And other than that, let me show you the details here, like this. And this was the wear and tear for the tire. And that's all for today. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And if you have any suggestions, complaints, anything regarding videos, you can comment down below. And if you want in-depth tutorial on how I textured the whole tire and how I created the wear and tear on the decal, just comment down below. I will definitely make that video. Okay? And have a great day. Bye.